today I just want to make a quick video on how I caught about 40 points on NQ in under 2 minutes. So I want to go over my daily bias, everything, right? So starting off with the daily bias, I was short bias because I want to see NQ go tap this daily fair value gap. If you look at here, so I posted this in my Discord 30 minutes before market opens. I talked about how I wanted to see NQ drop towards this daily fair value gap that we have here. So I was short bias going into the day. If you look at ES here, let me pull up ES. We had this 4-hour fair value gap that I wanted to see ES trade to. We traded into it and rejected. And we also had this 4-hour on NQ. Alright, so going into the day, I was looking for some sort of retracement into the open and then a drop to that daily fair value gap. So if you look at here, we have the 9:30 open right here. We trade lower, we take out this sell side here, this minor sell side here, and we tap this 1 minute fair value gap. Now this yellow box here is a regular trading hour gap, so I wanted to see NQ go to that gap and then reject off, and that's exactly what happened here. We traded into that gap, and we also had a 15-minute fair value gap here. So let me go ahead and draw that out. He had this 15-minute fair value gap that we were also trading into. So once we traded into it and we started rejected, I started looking for shorts. So we closed below this up close candle, which becomes an order block and CSD, chain in state of delivery, and I was looking for these lows here and also this daily fair value gap. So I didn't see any entry on the 1 minute here, but if you look at the 30-second, I think there was a fair value gap here. No, I think, oh yeah, never mind, I actually entered off the wick. Yeah, my bad. Once this candle closed here, I was looking at 50% of this to get rejected and short into this wick. So again, we open up, we trade. Once we started flipping here, this is where I went short. I got filled around here and I had a really tight stop. I think it was around here, and I was targeting this low. I wanted to take partials here and then let my runners run to that daily fair value gap. So we instantly dumped straight to these lows, and since I was copy trading 2 accounts, I didn't know how to take partials on trade away, so I just exited my full position here, which I kind of regret because I really wanted to hold for this daily fair value gap, which was my target. But I didn't want to mess up my execution, so I just exited my whole position. So once we get this drop, we start closing below this here. I wanted to enter again, but I was like, we already took at this low, so it's just best to just wait now. And then we just consolidate a little bit and then end up hitting this daily fair value gap. Now I know a lot of people on Twitter went long here after we got this displacement up, but honestly for me, when I got this move here, I caught a nice piece, so I just called it a day because this was my objective, and I actually wanted to see NQ drop even lower and take out this sell side here and drop to like the 50% of this fair value gap. But we ended up creating SMT here with ES and then displacing back up. So I just called it a day there. I caught a nice move, and yeah, that was the trade recap. Really short, took me about 2 minutes, and I caught about 40 points. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you want to see more recaps like this, join my free Discord. It's absolutely free. I'll leave a link in the description, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Peace.